Guruji, what an amazing thing I have achieved. I can't wait to tell everyone about this. This is amazing. Oh, my dear friend, what does your ego want now? What is it that it has accomplished? What kind of recognition and affirmation that you are constantly seeking? Oh, I just won a prestigious award for my work and I want the entire world to know about this, Guruji. Dear friend, true fulfillment does not come from accomplishments or accolades. It comes from within us. Ego traps us into constantly seeking validation, in recognition, in appreciation of what we do. But it is a smokescreen. It is an illusion. Don't fall trapped to that. You mean to say that recognition and achievements are not important? Is it not important to succeed in life? No, my friend. Your ego does not define who you are. Sometimes it is useful to have some kind of an image of yourself. But remember that you are a part of infinite consciousness. Your job or your purpose of life is to transcend your mind away from these earthly problems and merge it with the total consciousness. Meditation helps you to achieve it. Meditation? You mean to say just sitting quiet and closing my eyes and help me to get rid of my ego? When you meditate, you focus your mind on your life force. At that stage, you go to the subtle alpha frequency. And from there, you go to theta and delta. In the delta frequency, your soul merges with the totality. It is stillness. It is bliss. It is ecstasy. So you mean to say meditation can help me to detach myself from my ego? Absolutely. Ego is a smokescreen, my friend. By meditating and recognizing that you are a soul, you no more attach yourself to your mind or your thoughts or your existence, but go beyond all of this. You begin to realize who you are. And you begin to recognize that you are a part of the totality. The fraction demands, totality supplies. So you're saying that I must learn to be present at the moment, at this moment, and therefore help to get rid of the illusion, the ego. Am I right? Yes, by focusing on your own Kundalini Shakti, life force tingling pulsation, it helps you to remain in the present moment, at the present moment. It helps you to identify yourself with your soul, and that will help you to transcend your mind away from materialistic world into the spiritual realm. Bliss, lasting peace, you say, and that's indeed possible through Kundalini meditation, you promise. Wonderful. Thank you very much for enlightening me today. Wonderful to hear that. Be blessed by the divine.